Jason Dowdy here, Weichert Realtors Tower Properties, and today we're just gonna have a fun little video with Victoria Dowdy, and she's gonna show us how to make eggs in the hole, right? All right, so stay tuned, we're gonna show you how.
Hi, I'm Victoria Dowdy. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggs in a hole with 3 simple ingredients. Eggs, butter, toast. First we're going to start with buttering the toast. So we're going to grab our favorite cookie cutter and put it in the toast, middle of the toast. Now we're going to take the egg and the toast into the frying pan. Next, we're going to put the bread in the frying pan. Next, my dad's going to put the egg in the toast.
All right. Let's crack this egg.
We're cooking. We're gonna let it cook for a couple of minutes. Next, when it's cooked like you like, we're gonna put some of your favorite ingredients on top. Almost done. Some of my favorite ingredients are syrup and powdered sugar. Now that looks good. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to cook with beer. Tastes like chicken.